Hello my collector friends. Today we're gonna replace the spring on a G43 Magazine. I put it aside. This is the follower, and on the bottom we have the floor plate that retains the spring. Here you see two little pins that retain the bottom. If you push it up like this, you'll be able to slide it out. Keep your hands over it to prevent the spring flying across the room. Be careful. Get it out. Here we go. Here you see the spring. Be careful not to jump it out. Okay. Here we have the spring and follower attached. You see two small little pieces on the bottom that retain the spring. Wiggle it a little bit to get the spring out. Might take some effort. Okay, here we go. Now you can clearly see the little indents. Get the new spring. Put it back in place. Be careful to do it right. Take a good look at it. Here you see it's in the right position. Okay, now we are ready to put it back in the housing. Get it in right. Put some tension on the spring by pressing it down with 2 fingers. Now we need to take the floor plate. There we go. Push the floor plate down. Okay, there we go. You can see it's aligned properly. Turn around. There we have replaced the spring in a magazine. This spring and many other parts are available on our website www.frontlinemilitaria.com.